Welcome to our prototype video introducing the PerfectHours 2.0 inches web application, designed using Figma. In this walkthrough, we'll delve into the initial user experience and explore the final stages of our application's functionality. Starting with the home page, you'll discover a concise overview of the platform's offerings. Just above, you'll find crucial navigation points, including premium plans, an About Us section providing insights into our team, and a direct chat feature for quick communication. Clicking on the Login button directs us to the authentication process. As new users, let's initiate registration. In these early stages, we're intentionally gathering only fundamental information, username, email, and password. This limited data collection prioritizes user security, with comprehensive details to follow via secure email correspondence. Upon successful registration, we gain access to our membership plans. These packages, such as the premium plan we'll select, are exclusively institute-initiated and involve sharing organizational particulars to ensure a secure and beneficial partnership. Now, let's proceed by logging in as a student. Upon entry, the dashboard unfolds, revealing comprehensive insights. Visual representations track daily study hours, assignment completion rates, and individual scores. This dashboard's left side houses an array of features for seamless navigation. Moving forward, we engage with our integrated AI bot. This sophisticated tool is primed to address queries spanning both platform intricacies and broader educational matters, providing users with instant assistance. Concluding this exploration, let's log out and transition to a teacher's perspective. Here, our teacher is associated with a Class 12 group. Alongside efficient assignment management tools, there's a spotlight on class performance averages and an array of functionalities accessible through the intuitive side menu. In wrapping up, PerfectHours offers a comprehensive educational ecosystem, expertly addressing initial data security concerns and culminating in a feature-rich, collaborative learning environment.